Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone sound and vibration setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on and use touch sound on iqoo phone. Friends, you want to use your phone touch sound, so how to on touch sound, how to use on iqoo phone. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So when first of all guys, we will on guys iqoo phone setting. So guys, first we will on phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can see network setting, bluetooth setting, display setting. So when scroll it, friends click on iqoo phone sound setting. Tap here, iqoo phone sound setting will on and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your vibrate for call setting. You want to enable your vibrate for call, so you can on from here. So when scroll it, friends, you can see alarm, ringtone, phone ringtone, notification, ringtone setting. Other sound and vibration setting is fourth option. Friends, you can see your touch sound. So guys, tap here to on your touch sound. After on how to use, friends, when you will click on your iqoo phone your buttons, and friends, you when you click on any icon guys, example guys, we will on guys this icon. Friends, you can see. So friends, you can use get the touch sound. Friends, you can see tap sound. When you will click, as you can see, when we will tap on a screen, when we will tap on any icon, so we can use get the touch sound on iqoo phone guys. Tap here, tap iqoo phone, tap sound. So we call it touch sound, and after we can use. And friends, you don't want to use, open your phone setting and search bar guys, search here guys touch sound. Friends, you can see touch sound. Friends, you can see touch sound guys, tap here direct. Friends, you can off your touch sound from here. So when touch sound will off, and friends we cannot use. Friends, you can see, you can tap on your screen, you can tap on your button, sound will not work on your iqoo phone guys. So like that guys, we can on and use get touch sound on iqoo phone. So that's it guys, bye bye.